The next kanji. This kanji had the meaning, the reading of onyomi, gai, and the reading of kunyomi, mawasu, mawasu. The kanji of mawasu is mean times, round, revolve, counter. Actually, they use this kanji to count for many times. For example, how many times you can use nankai desu ka, something like this. How many times? Nankai desu ka. Round, that means around you. You can use around you. Mawasu. Mawasu is being around you or around something. Right? So they will use the kanji of kai for count for the time. How many times? 2 times, 4 times, 3 times, right? Something like this. Or around something. Example, around your house, around your car, right? Or around yourself. You can use mawasu, this kanji. So the next, let's go to see some sample. Kaiten. Kaiten. Kaiten is mean rotation or revolution, turning, rotation, revolution, turning. The kanji of kai is mean around, right? But the kanji of ten is mean rotate. So when you use it together, you can translate like rotation, kaiten. Next, kaifuku. Kaifuku is mean restoration or rehabilitation, recovery. Kaisei. Kaisei. Kaisei is mean resurrection, resurrection or regeneration. Resurrection or regeneration. Mawasu. Mawasu is mean turn or to rotate, to circulate, to turn, rotate or circulate. Limawali. Limawali. Limawali is mean interest, investment, debt or profits. Limawali is mean interest or profits. Ato mawashi. Ato mawashi. Ato mawashi is mean putting off or postponing. Postponing or putting off. The kanji of ato is mean after that. Mawashi is mean turn around, right? Turn around. Or mean around, right? So when you use turn around after, which means postponing, right? So you can use